CMA USA Part 1 versus Part 2. Which exam should you take first? Welcome everyone. If you're planning to take the CMA exam, you're in for an exciting journey. Many aspiring CMAs often ask us, which US CMA part should I take first? Well, the good news is that you have the flexibility to choose any part you want to take first, as there is no specific order to complete the CMA exams. But in this video, we'll help you decide which part to take first by discussing the exam structure and your personal strengths. So sit back and let's dive right into it. Hello there! It's important to note that the CMA exam topics in Part 1 and Part 2 are not related to each other. This means that you won't encounter any questions in Part 2 that are related to Part 1 topics and vice versa. To make a decision on which part to take first, take a close look at the exam syllabus. As you review the syllabus, you may find that one part seems more manageable or familiar than the other. That's a good indication of where to start. Let's explore this further in this video. If you lean more towards theory and enjoy diving into comprehensive concepts, starting with Part 1 might be a suitable choice. Part 1 of the exam is known to be more theoretical and lengthier compared to Part 2. It covers topics such as financial planning, performance, and analytics, which involve a deeper understanding of financial statement analysis, cost management, budgeting, and performance measurement. On the other hand, if you are someone who is inclined towards working with numbers, enjoys practical application, and has a strong affinity for data analysis, it is suggested to begin with Part 2. Part 2 of the CMA exam focuses on strategic financial management, which involves advanced financial concepts and requires the application of analytical skills. This part covers topics such as risk management, investment decisions, financial statement analysis, and professional ethics. However, this choice is ultimately yours, and we hope we have provided valuable insights that can assist you in deciding which part of the CMA exam is more aligned with your skills and background. The US CMA tests can be taken in 3 exam windows: Jan to Feb, May to June, and September to October. And in any sequence as per your preference, there is no set order. At the end of the day, you'll need to pass both Part 1 and Part 2. So go ahead and simplify the process by beginning with a section you believe will be the easiest for you to pass. Planning for CMA USA exams? Look no further. Join the CMA USA comprehensive course with North Star Academy and pass it in your very first attempt. Upskill to upscale, upskill with North Star.